unraveling the beauty of hand-spun. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of English phrases and exploring the meaning of hand-spun. If you've ever wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Hand-spun is a term that, quite literally, refers to something that has been spun or twisted by hand. This phrase is most commonly associated with textiles and crafts. For example, think about wool. Before it becomes a sweater or a scarf, it starts as raw fiber. When this fiber is twisted or spun by hand, instead of a machine, we get hand-spun yarn. The beauty of something being hand-spun is that it often has a unique and personal touch. Each creation has its own character because of the individual touch of the person who spun it. While the literal meaning of hand-spun is related to the act of spinning by hand, there's a deeper layer to it. In English, when we describe something as hand-spun, it implies a few things. 1. Craftsmanship. It suggests that the item has been made with care, skill, and personal attention. 2. Authenticity. Hand-spun items are often viewed as more authentic or genuine than machine-made counterparts. 3. Value. Due to the time and effort invested, hand-spun items might be considered more valuable or precious. 4. Uniqueness. As mentioned earlier, every hand-spun item can have slight variations, making each piece one of a kind. To help you better understand, here are some sentences using hand-spun. 1. The scarf, made of hand-spun wool, feels soft and warm against the skin. 2. Local artisans showcased their hand-spun textiles at the craft fair. 3. There's a charm in using hand-spun pottery. Each piece tells a story of its creator. 4. In a world of mass production, there's a growing appreciation for hand-spun goods. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, hand-spun. It's not just about the act of spinning by hand, but the love, effort, and individuality behind it. We hope this video shed light on this beautiful term and how it's used in the English language. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.